Just we are doing brand EMI transaction for
Please select brand.
Realme.
Please
Select the Realme
brand
brand.
category.
Just to select the Realme subcategory.
Please select product.
This is the brand. I have to just select, click
Please
on this.
enter amount.
Enter, it's a testing card, so I have to just select only number. Enter the
Please
mobile
enter
number.
mobile number.
Anything mobile number, just here I'm just clicking
Please
bill
enter
number.
bill number.
Testing IMI
Please
number. It's a
enter
testing
IMEI
IMI.
number.
Just to click on the proceed button.
Please use your card.
Just to insert the card. Wait for minute. Schemes not available. Yeah, it's validation. IMI doesn't exist. So I have to just to go with the brand EMI
Please
transaction.
select brand.
Just to select just EMI transaction.
Please select brand
sports
category.
type.
Please select product.
Just to select
Please
automatic.
enter amount.
I'm just entering 10,000 rupees.
Please use your card. Please
And
select
here all
tenure.
the types of tenures are coming. Just to select the
12
transaction type.
months tenure selected.
Take
Please
to
enter
this
your PIN.
and OK.
Transaction approved. Received 9,550 rupees.
This is a charge slip of brand EMI transaction. Click on the yes button. Transaction successfully done. Insert the card. We have completed. Same, just to check on the settlement screen, the transaction has been successfully with the invoice number and EMI transaction.